it's getting longer and longer, and then to see the actual growth of her two strands turning into the locks for her starter locks. You know what I'm saying? You can actually see it. I mean, her ends, you can still tell that they're two strands, but the rest of it is actually doing very well. You can actually see that it's starting to lock. And this is her third visit since we started, right? Yes. Her starter locks are coming out wonderful. This area right here is the area. These here are lock extensions that we've added today. Here, this edge.